Use Newton's second law of motion to reach your full athletic potential. Yesterday, we talked about reaching an optimal level of mass to improve your maximal amount of force that you're able to produce to become a better athlete. Today, we're going to talk about the second aspect of developing force, acceleration. After you achieve the minimal amount of mass that you need to be an elite level athlete based on your height, then it is time to work on acceleration. Acceleration is the name that we give to the process where velocity changes. Since velocity is a speed and a direction, there are only two ways for you to accelerate. Change your speed, or change your direction, or change both. For example, during a sprint, you can start at a complete standstill. Then you accelerate and increase your speed until you've reached top speed. The faster you're able to accelerate, the faster you'll be able to get to your top speed, which in turn will help you decrease your 40 or 60 times. This applies to every athletic movement. The faster you're able to accelerate, the faster you'll be able to produce a high amount of force. Here are 3 methods that you can start implementing in your training program to help you improve your acceleration. Method 1, the max effort method. The maximal effort method is the greatest method for strength training to improve your intramuscular coordination and intramuscular coordination, because your central nervous system only responds to the load placed upon it. This is the best way to prove your absolute strength and relative strength if you have a high amount of general physical preparedness. If you get stronger, then you have the higher potential to accelerate faster. Method 2, the dynamic effort method. The dynamic effort method is when you lift sub-maximal weights as fast as possible. We usually stick within the 40 to 60% range with 20 to 30% accommodating resistance. The goal of the dynamic effort method is to use sub-maximal weights that sit in the middle of the force velocity curve. We do not want the weight so light that the athlete isn't able to produce a high amount of force, but we don't want the weight so heavy that the athlete is moving slow either. We use the dynamic effort method to improve how fast you're able to put force into the ground. Method 3, plyometric work. Explosive plyometrics play a big role in being able to exert greater amounts of force at a faster rate. A big problem that I see in the majority of an athlete's training program is they are not jumping enough. Plyometric jumps are how you get incredibly explosive because it helps you exert a maximum amount of force in a minimal amount of time. If you're ready to take the guesswork out of your programming and start reaching your full athletic potential in the field, click the link in my bio or send me a DM and let's get you in for a free assessment. We'll put you on the path to success.